Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the encashment of annual leave. Now, encashment of paid annual leave refers to compensating an employee in cash for any unused annual leave that they are entitled to when their employment ends, such as when they resign. This ensures that employees are fairly compensated for the leave they did not use while they were working. For example, if Sarah resigns from a job with 3 days of unused annual leave, she would receive payment for those 3 days as part of her final salary instead of taking the leave before her last working day. In Singapore, the encashment of paid annual leave is governed by the Employment Act, which establishes clear guidelines for employees and employers. Employees who have worked for a company for at least 3 months are entitled to paid annual leave. The amount of leave increases with the employee's length of service, starting at 7 days for the first year and increasing by 1 day for each additional year, capped at 14 days. When an employee resigns, any unused annual leave must be used up or encashed based on their last drawn gross rate of pay. This is alluded to in Section 88A, subpara 8 of the Employment Act, which mandates that all employers settle all outstanding annual leave upon the termination of employment. Even if an employee has not completed a full year of service, they are entitled to a pro rata annual leave for the months they worked. For instance, if an employee resigns after 6 months, they are entitled to half of their annual leave entitlement. However, the Employment Act does not cover specific groups such as seafarers, domestic workers, or statutory board employees, though such employees may have similar provisions in their contracts or collective agreements. The calculation for encashing unused leave is straightforward. It involves dividing the employee's last drawn gross salary by the number of working days in a month and multiplying it by the number of unused leave days. For example, if Sarah's gross salary is $3,000 a month and she has 3 days of unused annual leave and there are 22 working days in a month, her encashment amount will be calculated as follows: $3,000 divided by 22 working days multiplied by 3 unused days of annual leave, and the amount would be $409.09. Encashment of paid annual leave carries significant legal and relational implications. For employees, it is essential to check their employment contracts for specific annual leave policies and maintain accurate records of unused leave. Employees should also ensure they receive their rightful entitlements and may file a claim with the Ministry of Manpower if the company does not comply. For companies, adhering to the Employment Act is crucial to avoid disputes and potential penalties. Companies must maintain accurate records of leave entitlements and ensure encashment is included in the final settlement when an employee leaves the company. Encashment of unused leave is not only about compliance with the law, but also about fostering mutual respect and trust between employers and employees. Non-compliance can lead to disputes, reputational damage, and claims by employees, which can easily be avoided through clear policies and proper record keeping. For employees, understanding their rights and proactively ensuring they receive their entitlements can prevent misunderstandings and unnecessary stress during the resignation process. In summary, the encashment of paid annual leave upon resignation is a legal requirement in Singapore, ensuring fair treatment for employees and promoting accountability among employers. By understanding and following these legal obligations, both parties can maintain a professional and harmonious employment relationship. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.